In this video, we will create daily crypto mail bot with JS. The final output this workflow will be as a recommendation mail. Here, let's start our workflow. Create workflow. Rename it daily crypto mail bot. Add note. Schedule trigger. We'll search schedule trigger. Schedule triggers and set a schedule as our requirement. It may be weekly, daily. Trigger node is created. Now we will add code, JavaScript code. I simply paste this code, and this code I will provide on video description. Now we will be add HTTP request and set URL HTTP request. Now we will add node code, another code one as this code actually for generate prompt for each coin or crypto coin. Now it run again. Yes, we get HTTP request. Now you can see it's a table view where HTTP request value, output value. After edit, run test code one, the final output will be like this. Now we'll add AI agent. Defined below, and output will be drag and drop from prompt. Now add chat model. Here we will add Google chat model Gemini. Google Gemini chat model. I already connected. If you are not connected, you will follow this procedure. Another video, I will provide connectivity links at the description. Now we will select chat model 1.5 plus chat model and for the back to the workflow and run our workflow. Yeah, that's successfully run. The final output will be now. Now we add node Parser node. Combine output. It's actually combine Mars. It's actually position combined by position and back to our test. Delete the connectivity and connect with our first code 1, then connect with our AI agent. Final and run our test. Yes, we get the prompt output message recommendation actually for cryptocurrency. Now we will add new code node put this code and run the test again. Finally, we add Gmail node. Gmail send message and connect with Gmail. Client ID and client secret. Doc link and erase. Email client ID and client secret. Copy this. And other setting should be properly for testing account or set a client secret and client ID. Then our Gmail node will select send mail and filter to subject and others. And dynamically message will be drag and drop the hello from the left side sorry, and we'll get the body text chat. Finally, message HTML body subject and to email and run test. Yes, test send message. Daily crypto market information, Bitcoin, HBM. Thanks for watching this video.